Hello our YouTube family, I am Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing absolutely well and fine. Guys, today we have chosen a very stunning topic, that is, should there be a limit to the media freedom or not? Many of our viewers suggest this topic, so we are back with this topic. Okay, if you have questions, if you have any suggestion regarding to this topic, then write in the comment section. And I am requesting both of you that you should discuss on our Indian media also regarding to this. Okay, so we have two spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Chaitanya is here and another side Rinku ma'am is here. So without delay, I am directly going from Chaitanya's side. Chaitanya, just initiate your point.
Hi both of you. According to me, there should be limit to media freedom. My first point is that many times media play a very critical role in diverting the people attention from real issues such as unemployment, inflation, poverty and public policy, etc. from unimportant issues such as personal life of a celebrity like Temur can't stop smiling on a trip with his friend. And my second point is that media often tend to polarize the people according to their ideology. Sometimes they represent the biased version of a news and they make people to believe the same. And at the time of internet, in the era of internet, it's not so hard to be stuck in the maze of a fake news. That's all from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me.
Mr. Chaitan, you spoke amazingly.
Yeah.
I want to ask a question. Don't you think that media plays a huge role in disclosing the real picture society?
Okay. You raised very amazing question, and sometime media play a very vital role in disclosing the real picture of the society. But what they are doing nowadays, what they are doing at the time of Taliban, whole day they were just showing the information about the Taliban. At the time of Olympiad, they were just showing the information about the Taliban and Olympiad. And what about the actual condition which is going in our India? Right? Real situation, they are not showing. That's it.
Okay, let me put my point. Constitution has given us to freedom to speak. There should not be limit to speak, because when we speak bitter truth, definitely criticizer will criticize. Sometimes government shows government hide actual data, so media only shows ground level data. And my last point, media shows transparency to all issues. That's all from side. If you have any query, you can ask.
Okay. You spoke very nicely, ma'am. My question is that, don't you think that for the sake of a TRP, they are just crossing the fair lines? What do you think?
I don't think so, because media help in many situations to solve the cases, and contribution of media unforgettable. In this era, media provide each and every information, so I think there should not be limit.
Okay. So according to me, definitely there should be limit, because at the time of sensitive cases and at the sensitive condition, media should hide the real information, actual data, because that information will harm the image of the victim, and which will be harmful for the nation also. Yeah. I have another question for you. What about the misuse of the limits?
No, media only shows the news. Media only shows the information, so there is no chance to give misuse.
Okay, wait guys, wait. Mr. Chaitanya, you spoke that there should be limit.
Definitely.
But I just want to tell you one thing, that media is the only one platform in this era that shows and raise the voice of citizens. Okay, we have seen that. So we should have someone who raise our voice. Okay, so I don't think so there should be a limit. What do you think?
Okay. Raising a voice, it doesn't mean you cross the limit. Okay, we are also raising our voice, be in a limit. Okay, so media also should be in a limit. They shouldn't forget their limitations.
Okay. So your points are very good, ma'am. Your points are also very nice. So according to my points and my if I conclude this GD session, so one thing is that whenever you get the freedom, then definitely there is a chance of misuse. Either the misuse of the power, either the misuse of rights. There is a misuse. There is a chance of misuse, but there should be the limit to the media freedom or not. You decide, guys, because you have seen all the news channels, you have seen every newspapers, you have the power of the social media in your hands, so you can easily decide which is going on. But one thing is that in our India, news channels are showing only trends. This is a harsh and bitter truth. Why is it? Because as you mentioned, they stick to only one topic in a day, or but they are not showing each corner of the news. Okay, so I think so there should be a limit. You have mentioned the point of sensitive issues also. Yes, I can agree that media disclose the criminal activities also, but in a limitation area, because whenever you have the any circumstances or any limitation, then definitely your work will be improved. But if you don't have the limitation, then definitely maybe there is a chance to cross the limit. So guys, don't end this GD in this video. You have to mention your points and questions in comment section also. And one more thing, if you want to join our online GD classes, then just contact on the given number. So it was a nice discussion, guys. You guys can also discuss same like as we are doing. So keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.